Hello, and this is Jim from Tech Bros, and the new product just arrived called the Ecovacs Robotics D-Bot, the floor cleaning robot, and it's a D-Bot OZMO 610. And I'm just going to give you a quick unboxing and show you what it's all about. And it's in a pretty big box, as you can see, and we have some stuff out in the back here. Smart cleaning pat, which advanced Ecovacs technology allows D-Bot to plan and remember most efficient and organised cleaning pattern, enable high performance across multiple rooms for spotless clean, upgraded vacuum and mop, superior clean, and with new OZMO technology, D-Bot automatically sweeps, lifts and vacuums, consistently mops your floors to make them shine, powerfully cleans tangle free. Use the V-shaped main brush for more lifting and deeper cleaning, easily switch to direct suction for cleaning pet hair tangle free and easy to use. The Ecovacs app lets you control D-Bot anytime from anywhere, allowing you to set cleaning schedules and select clean more and more. Alternatively, you can just press the robot's auto button and relax. So pretty cool. The app is on both Android and iOS, and let's take it out. It's a pretty massive box indeed, and we have that there first of all, which is the robot itself. So we'll check out what else we get in here. So there's quite a bit of stuff with this. So we have loads of little bits and pieces, as you can see there. We have some spare brushes. If we just pop this off here. So these are brushes, as you can see. So just pop that in there. The filter. And we also get this would be another an attachment here. In here then we have, which you presume is the dock, as you can see there, which is of course electric, and on the back here then we can see how long the cable is going to be, so it's pretty long enough. We get our instruction manual, and again this is a pad which seems to have been used, so that's obviously one of the pads that will be on the bottom. And we get another instruction booklet here, a quick start guide. We have a remote control, which is infrared, pretty cool. And again, we have some extra brushes here. One has red and one has green. And that's pretty much it on that front. So what we'll do is we'll check out the actual unit itself next. And it comes in a nice heavy bag. So this is it here. So we have some control here on top. We can see we've got a Wi-Fi signal here, and obviously these are LEDs to tell us some kind of status. And we can see we've got a black rim around there, and underneath we have some wheels which are flexible. And of course this is the steering wheel here, and this is where it will dock onto the dock we showed you earlier. And that's pretty much it for now. This doesn't pop off, it does here. So in here is another small brush here, and this is where the filter will be changed. So pretty simple enough so far. And of course we have our power status here, and that's pretty much it, and this lid will close over. So that's pretty much it. Any questions, give us a shout at techbizorian.com. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos coming soon. We have lots of tech on the way for all sorts. And that's the D-Bot Ecovacs Robotics floor cleaner. Talk to you in the next one.